everybody here is treated with respect, no matter who you are. I think everybody here has respect for one another, and when you come here, you're automatically going to be treated with respect. So that's something I really, really admire. One thing that really comes to mind when I think of the staff at Seton is how much everyone cares. Like everybody in the office, they're all really, really amazing and responsive. All the teachers will definitely go the extra mile to help you out.
I love the community, the teachers, the events, also my friends, all the students here. Overall, Seton is a good school.
I think here at Seton, the athletics program is very well run. It's very thought through, very organized, and it really motivates athletes to push themselves to their best ability while still having great support by the coaches. And I think overall the teams that are made are very well chosen, and they're very it's a very comforting space to be.
I love how all the teachers are so encouraging with you trying out for different sports teams and clubs and teams, and they're always so understanding when it comes to schoolwork. The biggest thing is switching classes and having a locker and having to manage your time from getting to class to class. The sports teams are a lot more competitive and you've more dedication put towards getting on a sports team.